Thanks, Richie. So this week's Intense 5 on a different level. Let's go. Khalid and family are back in Jamaica. He's making plans for his concert, plus getting in some R&R, and he even went to Coronation Market. I just don't know, why we can't just make him an honorary Jamaican, you know? I swear he pushes our music and culture harder than others. Welcome home, Khalid. R. Kelly has been sentenced finally. So 30 long years for sex trafficking. That's what you get for everything that you did, okay? Sharika. She was the star, and I say superstar, of national trials, beating Shelly and Fraser Price and Elaine Thompson in the 200 meter. Me love her, you see? I can't wait to see her at World Champs. So, if you watched the BET Awards, you might have seen Lil' Kim. I'm not sure what she did, but her transformation has been going on for a minute, and now the additional enhancements are just wow. Wow. And finally holding the number 1 spot this week, Skillybang and his accent.
And we're gonna welcome you just like you guys welcome me, you know?
No, Skilly. If I never said the interview, I wouldn't know say it was you. You have the twang part down pat, okay? Big up yourself and your soon-to-be released album. The interview, by the way, shot. That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Of course, if there's anything you want to see make the list, hit us up at TVJ Intense on Instagram.